on the Windows systems. And final modules, geo-sharing modules. Those modules are implemented with those modules are divided 6 parts. First part is trade area analysis. Trade area analysis supports human trade information analysis systems. And location analysis. Location analysis is location analysis system support or store location or building location or franchise location entities. And the trend detection is this module supports trend information. The trend information, for example, men's trading system or men's trade information or sales information or sexual information and so on. And spatial processing systems, the spatial processing systems support spatial classification and spatial processing information. It's like sports town or store town and office town and so on. Spatial character system is support spatial character. For example, one store and another store is then two stores same sell the same merchandise. Then sorry, I forget. I'm sorry. Then first store is more sales build, or second store is more sales build. What happened? Those information analysis and support information demonstrates exists spatial characters. And I need water there. And final module is spatial classification. The spatial classification is very concerned with spatial database systems. Because of the spatial object stored in database, the spatial classification modules, they objected, classified, and stored same area or nearest areas. Okay. And our systems support operations, two kinds of operations. First operations is web operation, and the second operations is spatial controlled operations. Web operations three kinds of work, as like extension or reduction or object moving. And the second operations divide two operations. First, point search over circle, and the second operation is polygonal searches. The extension operations is two kinds. First visualizations based on extension and or reduction system, and move operations is objective grouping on the Windows systems. And spatial operation is first the circular system is we use the Euclidean method, and now our first images shows the point over circular point search of circular method, and the second spatial operation is polygon operation Now you below images. If you check the point on area and our systems search the polygonal area. The method is the central point is use central points and extension on lines left or right. So if the crossover the line and the polygons line, the count number is odd number, then the function is interior. And this table shows our experimental environment, the hardware and the software. This is a reference by our papers. And this screenshot shows our circular search results. This data is real data, and Gangnam-gu in Korea. With this data, we buy the national officers and second image is previous source there, circular image, circular search and polygonal searches. And the final image shows the circular image and user-defined polygonal images. Now you choose this point, left point, this point and this red point source store, same merchandise sales stores. Sorry. So far, I explained our proposed GeoCRM systems. These systems has three characters. First, our systems integrate manager, spatial, and customer, non-customer data. Those customer data is non-spatial data and can get various result shows. And finally, support various view methods. But our system has some problems. The first problem is only can provide distinct data types as writer, SHP, and DXF. And some more need some spatial operations. So our future world more implemented some spatial operations and can provide various big data types. Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much for your presentation, Professor. I know you work in the Genie. Genie information company. Yeah. So I think you will paper in this session. Is there any question about the presentation?
This system is really sophisticated in general area. Now it's my pride. Sales of one copy.
Any questions?
I'm not quite sure. It's quite similar with the point Asia. I'm not quite sure. Is your GeoCRM?
Yeah.
It's quite similar with the data in point Asia or Google Earth or not? Google Earth, for example. You know Google Earth? Google Earth.
Google, yeah.
Yeah, because for Google Earth, we search for the location, specific location.
Yeah.
And now, sometimes for example, for Asia or Google Earth, you can find some information about the shop. I'm not quite sure it's
to understand what he says, he's asking what is the difference between the Google system and the Google system. And you suggested some kind of the mechanism, CRM, GeoCRM. What is difference? What is the difference from the Google?
Google system is based on the global position system. So they provide the user, they can't provide the company's interior data. But we use the company's interior data. For example, Google system is not support my personal information. For example, what I sell, what I buy, and my estimated status, or my child's, or my wife what buys. But this system has a company's interior data. So this system used those data. My wife, if my wife buy a milk, maybe my wife use my secret credit card. Then those data stored those companies' interior databases. Then we use those data and extract more new information. That's right, narrative, seasonality information. This difference Google's and our systems.
Any question? Is there a question? I'm interested what would the understanding of what is GeoCRM and the traditional CRM? Compare the two concepts.
Traditional CRMs use only customers' information. For example, if he stayed accommodated on hotel, or then his data only is his room number or what eat or what buy. Then those data use only this hotel. But this GeoCRM system is use those data and extended geographical concepts. For example, if I build a building, build a store, or open a store, then first I analyze the people's trade or the trade of people's pros and people's sex, man, lady, or gentleman. If on point I check on point, this is on point. Then by the way, then this point flows or ladies. Then maybe I open the ladies clothes or ladies underwear or ladies right foot. This system can extract and analyze those data. But traditional GRM system is analysis like those data, but not based on the geographic information system.